See, that's the wrong way. It should be on his front.
Oh.
Neil, what are you going to make for breakfast?
I don't know.
Can you make some scrambled eggs?
I don't have any stuff.
Okay, how about some pancakes?
I don't have any butter.
The butter's down in the basket.
Down here?
Yep, try to find it.
Here?
Look at his other arm is stuck.
The other arm is stuck here. It's all up. No, up like this. No, like this. Hey, hey, hey. Like this. There.
All right. Now, but the string has to go under his arm. Put your arms down again. Yeah, okay. But the other string...
Let's go over here.
Poor guy.
Missed. You have to put it a little bit. You have to put it one little bit.
Okay, let him make us some breakfast. Okay, you can stop now.
Okay. What do you want? I love chicken. I want it.
He doesn't want the hat.
You don't want the hat? No? Okay. I'm fine with that. Sit here. Stand here. You can sit over there until I'm done. Okay. Where's the butter here? Where's the butter?
I think it's down there somewhere.
You make this for me? No. You make this for me? No, I can't.
But did you make the squirrel for her?
No, I can't because I'm making pretend stuff.
You're making pretend stuff. So then use the pretend butter. Just use the pretend butter.
What is it?
Pretend. Just find it. The pretend one.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Yep, there's the pretend butter. Okay. How do you make the pancakes? Yep, put that in. Yep, good job.
I'm cooking. Oh, that's the best.
Alright, that's the last piece. Put it in and then give her the pancakes. Stir it now.
Okay, what's the stir thing? I know where it is.
It's in the bowl.
It's in the bowl. Right here. You're going to use the fork.
Emma, are you hungry? Alright, you better feed it to Emma. She's really hungry.
Okay. Let me go get
No, you just wait. He's going to give it to you.
Neil, can I give you a chair? You give me a chair?
You can just put it on that table though.
Neil, I'm coming. Just a minute. I'm coming just a minute. I'm giving you a chair. Are you that strong? Oh my goodness! Thanks. Wait. Okay.
Time to eat breakfast.